The US dollar. So at the time of recording, we're doing this slightly earlier than usual, but we're just taking a look at price action now. And the way in which we're shaping up, obviously, we still see those extreme dollar vulnerabilities, right? It's a very tricky situation for the FOMC. Their hands are somewhat tied. There is a lot of reduction in investor confidence around US based assets, hence why yields were ripping it higher. We've seen them a little bit cool down of late over the last couple of sessions. Um, it's a risky. It seems risky because of this whole stagflation situation. Now, today, by the time you're watching this, Wednesday is going to be very key because we've got core PCE, the Fed's preferred measurement of inflation. Remember, we have an inflation issue for the Fed in the United States because inflation's still high, and obviously the energy spillover where there's a lack of supply forcing commodities to rise, energy prices to rise. And then we've got growth, which is also another potential issue where we could be having high inflation and low growth, which is obviously the stagflation scenario. So you want to be keeping an eye on these two key pieces of data as we head into Friday, where we've got Kevin Walsh speaking. Now, I did a full breakdown on it. I want you to go and check this out. You can watch this video. It's a large breakdown. You can check out this latest article as well. Why the dollar can fall when bond yields rise, gold, the Fed, Treasury buybacks explained. So go and check that out. Okay, just to get a further understanding of the situation. But the way in which price action is structured at the moment, lower highs, lower lows, big rejection here at the moment at 99s. It looks like we're forming a bit of a bearish flag for a potential continuation and extension to the downside. The roadmap for dollar could just be the case of breaking out of this bearish flag, right? Consolidation, breakout, retest of these lows, take out sort of 98.50 liquidity and be drawn in towards sort of 98s. Okay, that's obviously dependent on the data tomorrow. So do keep an eye on that. Other than that, guys, as a reminder, check the links below if you do want to take this from me. Don't take it from me, but you can. Yeah, you can have it. You can have it. I don't gatekeep. Level up via the links below. Other than that, I'll catch you on next update.